हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे इस वीक की जॉब्स रिलेटेड टू डेटा एनालिटिक्स डोमेन। तो अगर आपके पास एज अ डेटा एनालिस्ट वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है और यू वांट टू स्टार्ट अ करियर एज अ फ्रेशर इन दिस डोमेन, देन दिस वीडियो इज वर्थ वाचिंग। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनी, सैलरी दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग, रूल्स एंड रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज एंड टेक्निकल स्किल्स दीज कंपनीज आर लुकिंग फॉर, एंड हाउ वी कैन अप्लाई फॉर दी जॉब पोस्ट। तो अगर आपके पास पाइथन, सीक्वल, पावर बीआई, एक्सेल का एक्सपीरियंस है या फिर आपके पास एक्सपर्टीज हैं बट यू डू नॉट हैव एनी प्रायर एक्सपीरियंस, देन आल्सो दिस वीडियो इज वर्थ वॉचिंग। वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले फॉर माय न्यू ऑडियंस लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माय सेल्फ। माय नेम इज हरीश सिंह, आई एम अ ब्लॉगर, अ यूट्यूबर एंड जॉब सर्च कंसल्टेंट एज वेल। एंड रेगुलरली आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू, फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराते रहता हूँ। So in future, if you do not want to lose out a single job opportunity related to data science domain, Power BI developer, SQL developer, Python, or data analytics domain, then subscribe to my YouTube channel right away. Follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well. और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे ऑलरेडी डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज चल रही है जहाँ पे मैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे प्रोवाइड कराता हूँ fresh job updates related to these domains. So if you do not want to lose out a single job opportunity, then follow my Instagram page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मिल जाएंगे मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, तो डू चेक दैट। और अगर आप मुझसे कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, कोई फीडबैक है, कोई सजेशन है, देन आल्सो माय सोशल मीडिया लिंक्स आर अवेलेबल इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं। But before heading to the laptop screen, just a small request. In case these jobs are helpful, then do press the like button. And also you can share your feedback and suggestion in the comment section. Now let's jump to the laptop screen and see what are the job opportunities for this week.
फ्रेंड्स आगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं फॉर द रोल ऑफ डेटा एनालिस्ट, वेदर द जॉब्स आर फॉर फ्रेशर, एक्सपीरियंस्ड और रिमोट जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी। वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिमाइंडर अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू, जहां पे आपको मिलते हैं डेली बेसिस पे जॉब अपडेट रिलेटेड टू डेटा साइंस, डेटा एनालिटिक्स, पावर बीआई डेवलपर, पाइथन और सीक्वल डेवलपर रोल के लिए। तो अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल फॉलो नहीं किया है तो डू फॉलो इट राइट अवे। अब बढ़ते हैं जॉब की तरफ। फर्स्ट कंपनी इन द लिस्ट इज अमेजन, हायरिंग फॉर डेटा बिजनेस एनालिस्ट, एक्सपीरियंस दे आर लुकिंग फॉर 1 year, जॉब लोकेशन इज इन बेंगलुरु, salary would be competitive, education graduates with an engineering background. About the role, converting data into business intelligence and actionable information, writing high quality SQL code to retrieve and analyze data, work with large data sets, automate data extraction and build monitoring reporting dashboards, interacting with internal stakeholders to deep dive outlier events, further communicating complex analysis and insights to our stakeholders and business leaders, enable effective decision making by retrieving and aggregating data from multiple sources and compiling into digestible and actionable formats. So these are some roles and responsibilities for the job post. And if I'll talk about technical skills and experience, you need to have 1 year of experience in ETL, that would be preferred, 1 year of experience in Python. Secondary skills, 2 years work experience, SQL proficiency for 1 year, Excel proficiency 1 year, QuickSight, Power BI W 1 year. So it means like you need to have at least minimum 1 year of experience using these tools, SQL, Excel or Power BI W. And if you're okay with roles and responsibilities, job location and technical skills, you can apply for the job post, and this link you'll get in the description box of the video. Let's move to the second job. Company name is Ninjacart, hiring for data analyst intern, experienced freshers. Job locations in Bengaluru. Salary would be 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. Education bachelor's or master's degree in economics or finance related field, mathematics or statistics. So if you are looking for any intern job opportunity, then you can apply for the job post for Bangalore location. Roles and responsibilities: as an analytics intern, you'll get to work on various projects that involve coding in Python, SQL, business analysis, visualization. Use tools like Redash, Power BI, Excel, Google Sheets, and others to analyze data, create dashboards. You'll also get to learn from our experienced mentors and collaborate with our cross-functional teams. Strong analytical skills with the ability to collect, organize, analyze, and disseminate significant amount of information with attention to detail. Work with business and leadership teams to ensure deliverables fulfill requirements and quality labels. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a data analyst intern. And if I talk about technical skills for this job post, a strong interest in data analysis and a passion for learning new skills, good knowledge of Python, SQL, and Excel, further good understanding of statistics and data visualization, a good communication and interpersonal skill, and problem solving mindset, and a keen attention to detail. And if you're okay with the job post location and technical skills, then you can apply for the job post by clicking on this link, and you'll get this link in the description box. Let's move to the third job. Company name is Level AI, hiring for data analyst, experience 0 to 2 years. Job location in Delhi. Salary would be 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. Education bachelor's degree with engineering background. About the role, drive product impact by proposing and conducting quantitative research into key user behaviors and trends, conduct in-depth analysis and build statistical models to identify trends and key drivers that inform important decisions made by users, review the output of AI models to improve performance by identifying common users gaps, further analyze model performance by diving into user feedback data and product users report, and create a business analysis report weekly. So these are some roles and responsibilities as a data analyst over here. And if you do not have any prior experience, you want to start your career as a data analyst, then this is the right opportunity for you. Required skills: bachelor or above with a good academic background, 0 to 2 years of full-time work experience as an analyst, highly resourceful individual who is looking to grow in SaaS AI field, familiarity with classical AL models, scikit-learn and deep learning, employed test findings to do statistical analysis and improve models, knowledge of common metrics for evaluation of ML models would be a plus. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills with job post. And if you'd like to apply for the job post, you can click on this link, and link is available in the description box. Fourth company list is NEODOVE, hiring for data analyst intern, 0 to 2 years experience, locations in Bangalore, education bachelor's degree in computer science, mathematics or related field, salary would be competitive. So again, if you're looking for any data analyst intern job position, then you can apply for the job post. Roles and responsibilities: understand business objectives and design data analysis plans to support them, collect, process and cleanse data from multiple sources using various methods like SQL, Excel or Python, perform exploratory data analysis to identify trends, patterns and relationships in data, design and implement reporting dashboards to track KPIs, write technical specifications for ETL jobs and collaborate with engineers to implement them, support ad hoc data requests from business users, document all work thoroughly in accordance with company guidelines, and adhere to confidentiality agreements and protect sensitive information. So these are some roles and responsibilities for the role of data analyst intern. And if we talk about technical skills, proficient in advanced Excel and SQL, experience with data visualization tools such as Tableau, Power BI or similar, strong analytical and problem solving skills, attention to detail and accuracy, excellent communication skills and presentation skills, experience with Python or R, experience with statistical analysis. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. And if you find yourself suitable for the job post, you're looking for data analyst intern position, you can apply for the job post. And this is the link where you can get more details about the job post, and you can also apply for the job post. Let's move to the fifth job. Company name is BNY Mellon, hiring for associate data analyst. Experience they are looking for 1 to 3 years. Job locations in Pune and Chennai as well. Education qualification: graduation in any stream, BE, BTech, BCom preferred, plus MBA finance would be preferred. Salary would be negotiable. Roles and responsibilities: this position is responsible for building and maintaining highly critical structured finance waterfall models, model maintenance, carrying out distribution, payment run and reporting. This requires analyzing and understanding the legal documents thoroughly and to identify trends, the relevant fields required to build the model, coordinate with CSM and services, providing trainings to junior team members and supporting lead analysts to achieve team goals. And if I talk about required skills, you need to have 1+ years of relevant experience in the structured finance domain in an analytics role. Good understanding of Excel formulas and programming languages, SQL or MS Access is required to perform the task efficiently. SQL expertise: proficiently writing complex SQL queries to extract and manipulate data from relevant database, optimize database queries for improved performance. So these are some roles and responsibilities for the job post. And if you would like to apply for the job post, you can click on this link, and you can get this link in the description box of this video. Sixth company in the list is Rounds, hiring for data analyst, experience 3 years, job locations in remote, education graduate or bachelor's degree, salary would be 7 to 13 lakhs per annum. That would be estimated. So if you're looking for any remote job opportunity and if you have required experience, then you can apply for the job post. Roles and responsibilities: we are looking for a driven data analyst to join our team. In this role, you'll have the ability to look at the company's data from a bird's eye point of view, while at the same time getting your hands on with the data and drilling down analysis. Your main responsibility will be to provide a visual analysis of the ongoing key performance indicators, know how to perform ETL process, responsible to deliver meaningful insights out of it. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a data analyst over here, and this is a remote job opportunity. Experience: 3+ years of experience in a similar role, excellent hands-on SQL and Excel skills, expertise in data visualization tool, Tableau or Data Studio, excellent analytical and problem-solving skills, and fluent advanced communication skills in both written and verbal English. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. And if you want to apply for the job post, you can click on this link. This link is available in the description box. And if I talk about selection process, 100% remote job opportunity, interview process, HR interview, technical discussion, take home challenge, and then final interview. And if you have more questions, more queries, you can reach the team at hr@grounds.com. Let's move to the seventh job. Company name is Coditas, hiring for associate insight analyst, experience 0 to 3 years, job location in Pune, education bachelor's degree in computer science, software development, engineering, or a relevant technical field. Salary would be competitive. Roles and responsibilities: data management and report preparation, analyze complex data to identify and interpret trends or patterns, develop recommendations, insights to help accelerate growth, build performance analytics solutions for the business and client teams, communicate insights and consult client teams on recommendation actions, further utilize available tools and techniques to solve business problems. So these are some roles and responsibilities for the job post. And if I talk about technical skills, you need to have excellent analytical and problem solving skills, a strong acumen to visualize and convey complex ideas in lucid manner, willingness to learn and adapt to change technology, further capability of work on large data sets to deliver values to our clients, comfortable in a remote working environment and with teams located globally. So this company is also offering you remote job opportunity currently, and some technical skills. Good to have skills: MS Office, SQL, and Python, and R. And if you're from 2021 or 2022 batch, then you can apply for the job post. And I've already given a link which you can click, and you can get more details about the job, and you can also apply for the job post. Eighth company in the list is American Express, hiring for data analyst, experience 1 to 3 years, job locations in Gurgaon, education advanced degree in quantitative fields, finance, engineering, mathematics, or computer science. Salary would be 6 to 9 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities: deliver a strategic analytical focused on performance marketing channels, digital acquisition, membership experience, as well as platforms in lab. Define the build new KPIs to monitor the challenge, product, platform, health, and success. Support the development of new products and capabilities. Gain deep functional understanding of the enterprise-wide product capabilities and associated platforms over time, and ensure analytical insights are relevant and actionable. So these are some roles and responsibilities for the job post. And if I talk about key skills, you need to have strong programming skills, some experience with big data programming languages such as Python or SQL, experience in large data processing and handling, understanding in data science would be a plus. Ability to work in a dynamic cross-functional environment with strong attention to detail, excellent communication skills with the ability to engage, influence, and encourage, a strong analytical conceptual thinking, competence to solve unstructured and complex business problems, and basic knowledge of statistical techniques for experimentation such as hypothesis testing, regression, t-tests, etc. So these are some key skills for the job post. Experiences 1 to 3 years, locations Gurgaon. So if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link, and this link you can get in the description box of this video. Ninth company in the list is Atari Corporation, hiring for data analyst, experience 1 to 2 years, job locations remote, education bachelor's degree in quantitative fields such as stats, mathematics, economics, or related discipline. Salary would be competitive. So if you're looking for a remote job opportunity, you have 1 year of experience, you can apply for the job post. Roles and responsibilities: conduct thorough and insightful analysis of complex data sets to extract meaningful insights, patterns, trends, and correlations. Utilize statistical model methods and data visualization techniques to present findings effectively. Gather, process, and clean data from various sources to ensure accuracy and reliability. Develop and maintain dashboards and reports to communicate key metrics and insights to stakeholders. Work closely with departments across the organization to understand business goals and provide data-driven recommendations. And implement and reinforce data quality standards and practices to ensure the accuracy of reliability of data sets. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job post. And if I talk about key skills, you need to have proven experience as a data analyst, demonstrating proficiency in data analytical tools, proficiency in SQL for querying database, excellent communication skills to effectively convey complex findings to diverse audiences, Power BI proficiency, data visualization skills in designing effective and visually appealing data visualization. And if you're good to go with the job, you can click on this link. This link you'll get in the description box, and you can apply for the job post. Let's move to the final job of the day. Company name is Atrina, hiring for data analyst trainee. Experience 0 to 3 years, job locations in Mumbai, education bachelor's degree in computer science, data science, information technology, or related field. Salary would be as per industry standards. So if you're looking for any intern job opportunity in Mumbai location, you can apply for the job post. Roles and responsibilities: utilize Python for data analysis, manipulation, and visualization. Apply data science and analytical concepts to extract meaningful insights from data sets. Develop visualization and dashboards using tools like Tableau, Power BI, Local to communicate insights effectively. Utilize expression language like DAX for advanced analytical and calculation. A keen interest in and passion for data analysis, visualization, and storytelling. So these are some roles and responsibilities for the job post. Key skills: strong proficiency in Python for data analysis, solid understanding of data science and analytical concepts, hands-on experience creating visualization dashboards for tools like Tableau, Power BI, good exposure to expression languages like DAX, exposure to analytical and data modeling tools and environments, previous projects, coursework or internship related to data analytics, visualization or business intelligence. So if you have any previous experience in internship or any coursework, you can definitely apply for the job post. But if you'd like to start your career as a data analyst, trainee, or intern, you can apply for the job post. And this is the link where you can apply for the job post. And if you have more questions about the job roles, responsibilities, or education qualification, you can reach out to hr@atrina.com. So friends, these are 10 jobs for this week, and I hope you like this video. In case these jobs are helpful, do press the like button and share it with your needy friends as well. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.